The next sound start, F for start, T for top, sub for top, start. This is sound start. I have three examples for sound start. Stop, stop, the F stack, the X stack. The next sound start, F for start, P for part, sub for part, start. This is sound start. I have three examples for sound start, for infants, for S stack, for I stack. And the last sound stop, F for stop, K for cut, sub for cut, stop. This is sound stop. I have two examples for sound stops for EC, for SCAT. These are vocabulary. Glow, cuckoo, glass, ramai, glass, scale, slip, slide, or the ski, slip, case, my car, or all. Real, hand, right, go, promo, bridge, shot, ramp, score, right, bubble, dress, some lia, bump back, smell, strong, rude, thùng khăn, smell, nhỏ nhom, smoke, say, stop, top, step, chúng hiên, step, đồng nạ, spin, ca, bồng bơ, spy, out, ca, spy, trường tê, ski, skate, bài thương, rõ all. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you so much.